no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient.
No, you walked me on the beach. And then you won't stop. What the fuck? What the fuck? No, I don't play that game, bro. I don't play that game always. Stay away from me, bro.
Okay.
I don't play this game, bro. Okay? No, of course. Keep going. Keep going. Stop talking to me. These guys fucking approached me at the beach. Trying to steal my shit. What the fuck is wrong with you guys, bro? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Are you part of that? Are you part of that? They try to steal my shit. I was asleep. Stay the fuck away from me. Jesus Christ. And I was asleep on the beach.
Santa Monica.